Hello parents, I'm Ashima and today I'm sharing this video to make a request to a lot of parents who have come across me, a lot of students who have come across me, and there is a problem that they are facing in their daily routine. So as I always request the parents that please keep your children away from mobiles because the children start hallucinating. If they want screen time, please give them half an hour or maximum 1 hour of monitored TV time, which is having good stories, good content, good general knowledge videos related to their learning. But do not show them the cartoons where they are using abusive language or any kind of a content which makes a child aggressive, because of which the learning of the child hampers in a long run, and the child does not respond in the school curriculum, and the way the child has to behave, he is not willing to learn in that manner, and he becomes aggressive and he becomes apprehensive related to anything that we do in the school environment. So we strive to give the children the best of the knowledge, and I would request the parents support that please give the child a better environment at home, which involves a lot of activities and creative involvement like dance, music, art, class, anything. They are going for any sport, they are going to park for playtime, they are socially interactive, but do not give them one-way communication, that is the mobiles. So please, I make an earnest request to all the parents that please monitor this for your child's well-being and a better growth. Thank you so much.